Tonight we see fireworks bursting all across the sky, shining with colours and shapes of countless variety. We thank you for the diversity with which you blessed creation. May we all learn to value the beauty you have given us. We hear the bangs and explosions and think of the power they demonstrate. We thank you that you are more powerful than anything we face. May we know the power of your Spirit in our lives. We see many bonfires burning and see people gathering around them for warmth and light. We thank you that your presence is light and your love is warmth. May we all be able to share these gifts with every person we encounter. As people gather to celebrate this day with food, friendship and fun, we thank you that your plan for us is relationship, with you and with other people. May we all find places and people with which to share life. As we hear the oohs and ahs of wonder and amazement, we thank you that you are awesome and majestic. May we always see the wonder of your love for each one of us. May we always see your wonder in creation. Amen.